Vivo is launching its new V70 series 5G. However, the lineup is also expected to include a V70 FE model, which could see a launch at a later date. New details about the FE variant, including its design, have now surfaced online. The Vivo V70 FE appears to feature a pill-shaped rear camera module housing 2 sensors and a ring light. The phone will include a 200MP primary rear sensor paired with an 8MP ultrawide lens, a 32MP front-facing camera. The V70 FE will reportedly feature a 6.83-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 1.5K resolution. The Vivo V70 FE is tipped to be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7360 turbo chipset, paired with up to 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. It is said to run Origin OS 6. The device will pack a 7000 mAh battery with support for 90W wired fast charging. It is expected to carry IP68 and IP69 ratings for dust and water resistance. The handset is said to be available in blue, purple, and silver color options. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.